Hey, I know it's not spring anymore, but I finally finished my spring cleaning down here. I only had a couple other rooms left to do, which was the shower room and this one that I'm in right now. So I finished decluttering and I finished cleaning and I'm reassessing the art, and I'm also thinking about painting, but not sure about that. You got to get in the right mood for that, right? Sometimes you have to be in the right mood to do things, right? Anyway, if that is something that interests you, I'll see you at the end. This is my shower room door, and I never really noticed how off it was. Like, it's tight at the bottom and it goes out a little bit more at the top, so it's not even. So I was looking at it in here, and so this, I don't know if you can tell, these screws are not in all the way. I'm going to see if I can screw them in a little bit tighter, and if that'll help it at all. Well, it's a little bit better, but it's still a little bit off, but I think it's just going to have to do because I don't know what else to do about it, and I hardly noticed it, so you know, maybe a new owner, if they actually even notice it, they can fix it or get a new door. So the next thing I'm going to do here, while I'm waiting for the paint to dry on the over the toilet cabinet in the water closet, is to start cleaning in the shower room here. And I'm going to start with the fan and the ceiling light up there, and then I'm going to go over here. I'm thinking I'm going to change out the towels because I like some of the other towels better, but we'll get to that eventually. So as you can see up here in the fan, there's lots of dust and stuff there. So what I've done, got my little cleaning toothbrush, and I will be trying to get all that stuff out. So I'm going to put the camera down, and then hopefully I'll be able to get this stuff cleaned out. All right, so I think I've done the best I can do. I ended up getting my dish brush, my cleaning toothbrush, a steak knife to get like into the grooves as much as I could, and my little hand vac. And as you can see, it's not 100%. It's probably like 80% clean there. But that's the best I can do for now. So that's it for now for that. I am going to, I think, paint the grill, because I'll show you that in a sec. All right, so you can see how yellow, actually it doesn't look as yellow on camera, but you can see it looks really yellow here, and it's really all looking yellow. There's a little bit of paint already on there from something else, and I think there was some gray paint, or I don't know if that was grout. That won't come off. So I think what I'm going to do is wait till it's completely dry, because I have got all the dust out of it, and then I'm going to give it a spray paint. Now, one thing I noticed while having a shower is that the shower rod here has got a few little rust spots, and I think I have another shower rod down at the shop that I was going to put in the yard sale that's in a little better condition. So I'm going to go check that out. If it's no better than this, I might just end up repainting this with rust-proof paint. But I also wanted to show you this. Now, I actually repainted this a couple of years ago. Obviously, I did not use rust-proof paint because it's already starting to rust again. So I'm going to take that down and give it a light sanding and use some black rust paint that I have. And then I'll put that back up because it is really handy. You know, it's got the towel bars here. And okay, first I'm going to remove all this stuff here and figure out what I'm going to do with it. So I finished cleaning out the full shower room, washed all the walls all the way around, the ceiling, cleaned out the light fixture, the fan, as you've already seen. I repainted the grill there, and you know, so it's more white than yellow. And now I am waiting for my shower curtain rod to dry because I painted that. And the same with the towel bar rack thing here. I painted that as well, so hopefully I'll be able to put that in today. And I've washed the shower curtain as well. So hopefully that I can finish off today. And I was thinking one more thing, if I can find a nice shower head on sale or something, it's not too expensive, I may just replace that. I replaced the one upstairs with a slightly bigger one that's got all these different settings on, and I'd really like to get one like that. So anyway, I mean, this one's fine, it works, whatever, but you know, while I'm here anyway, I'm thinking, yeah, I like the upgraded shower heads. I finished painting the rack here and the shower curtain rod and the hooks up there as well. The curtain rod that I had down in the shop that I put aside for the yard sale was just a little bit too long, so I figured I might as well just paint it for now, maybe get another year out of that. And as I already mentioned, I already cleaned the liner of the shower curtain, and then I remembered I had this extra one, and so I decided to bring that in here. And so I also brought down my little shower poof thing, and I did keep the little box for my shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and I have a little razor up there as well, so everything is handy when I have a shower. And yeah, so this room is all clean and organized, and it's all done. I just wanted to do a little review, if you want to call it that, of the pictures I have here. Now, obviously, my clock is gone there. I've got no knickknacks. They're looking pretty bare about the sink, so I'm thinking I have to do something with that. I got this little painting here, which I always thought was a little bit too small compared to that one. I'll see if I can come back here a little bit. There. I mean, it's fine, I guess, because, you know, if you're over here, it's not, how often are you going to be looking at them anyway, right? And then I have that thing up there, which doesn't mean anything to me. I'm probably going to get rid of that eventually. And then here I have those pictures of Castle Howard. So I do like those there still. In the bathroom here, I have that picture there, but I've also removed the over the toilet cabinet thing there, and I'm thinking I should put a picture on that wall. You know, just something so it's not so bare, and then it would reflect in the mirror there. Now here in the bedroom, I have these two little floral prints, which I'm not a big fan of, but they kind of fill the space. And I have this painting over there that I just stuck it there to replace the picture that was there before that was a little bit smaller, and I don't think it really belongs there. And then I have those two pictures, which are fine. They don't bother me at all. I still like them. So I'm thinking what I should do is take that picture there and move it into the living room, and maybe switch the picture in there and either put it back in here or take that one and put it in the bathroom. So I'm going to do some things and change things around and see what looks best. I brought this picture in from the other unit. It was over the toilet in the other bathroom, and I had to put that up there, and you know, to see what it would look like, you know, in the mirror and whatever. And I mean, it's okay, but I wasn't loving it, so I put this up instead, and I really like that. I think it kind of goes well with the Castle Howard picture there. That is a picture of Sorrento, I believe, in Italy, and yeah, so it is also reflected in the mirror there. So that is what I'm going to leave there. Well, I remembered I had these two little New York prints when I was looking for something else upstairs. You may remember seeing them in my entrance hall makeover video, which I'll link in the end screen if you want to have a look at it. The little floral prints that were here, they were fine. I mean, they were certainly bright enough. but I didn't really love them, and they are on my list of things. If I don't love them, they have to go. So, and it also kind of goes with that New York scene picture as well. Well, I'm going to finally get around to removing everything in here that was here for my B&B, and some stuff I can probably just throw out. Some things I'll put in a different place, and I'm going to make the space so that I can use it as my desk and keep the things in here that I want to keep in here. Well, I finally finished my spring cleaning back here in this room. Washed all the windows inside and out, vacuumed the blinds, got up there and cleaned the ceiling fan and the light fixture. And otherwise, it's just my normal cleaning in this room. Replaced the battery in the clock up here. And I had brought this little lamp from the other apartment. I was going to get rid of it eventually, and I still might do that. But it's come in handy here. The one thing I am actually decluttering from this room is this. I'm going to keep the plant pot, and I will use that for other plants. But this fake one, I am just going to let that go. I'm just trying to have things in here that I'm actually using, and yeah, so less dust catchers that are not fulfilling any purpose. So that's going to go. I am thinking about actually painting, because you can see there's a lot of little like little nicks and things here in the wall. Some over here as well. Yeah, little imperfections. Now up here, this part had never got painted, so it's in the shade of pink that it used to be before. I have mixed feelings about painting it, because I still like the color. I love the color, but you can see all these little gouges here too, and it's not like I can just touch it up, right? So I do have some extra light gray paint, and I'm thinking that might be better anyway for when I get it ready to sell. Hey, Misha. Wonder what I'm doing here? Yeah, I have also this little ding in the wall. I'm thinking that the door stopper is not long enough, and I should get a longer one for there, or maybe a piece of wood to make it stick out a bit more, so that the door handle doesn't bang into it. I'm not sure if that is from that handle or from before, when I had like an actual knob there. But anyway, that's as far as I've got so far in this apartment with my spring cleaning is now done. Now it's just a matter of fixing things and painting things and still moving things in. But if you have stayed to the end here, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.